Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to connect two different brand speakers, Bluetooth speakers, to your Samsung S22, the S23, or the S24, any models, using the dual audio mode, and this is after the One UI 6.1 update. Let's get started. So first, you'll start off by connecting the both speakers. You'll start with the first speaker here, and of course, as always, if you haven't paired up your speaker yet, you'll want to go into the Bluetooth settings, long press it from here, and go to details so you can see what's really going on here, okay? So if you haven't, you'll need to get your speaker into pairing mode and connect it. So I'll go ahead and turn on my first speaker here, which will connect now because I already have it connected. All right, so that's the first speaker connected. Then you'll go ahead now and connect your second speaker. Okay, if you haven't done so before, go ahead and connect it, turn on your speaker, have it in pairing mode, and then connect it. Okay, so everybody's speaker is going to be different. Now, this is the Anchor Soundcore one here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Okay, and it's going to connect. So the first thing you will notice after connecting your second speaker is that they are both in the different color, showing that they are currently connected for calls and audio, or just the audio itself. Okay, that there will tell you that your Samsung phone in particular does have the dual audio mode. Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is to make sure the media output option is available in the quick toggle section, which when you pull it down once, you'll see this right here, okay? If you don't see this here, pull it down a second time, you'll go to the edit option here. And right to the bottom, you'll see device control and media output buttons right here. So tap on that and just make sure it is selected where it says show when quick panel is collapsed. Okay, so just make sure it's set to the first one and not don't show. Okay, so make sure it's this one here. All right, then just go ahead now, and then you should come back and be able to see it here. This is the part when you go into it, you'll be able to see the current connected Bluetooth devices, and you'll notice that for the ones that are already connected, they have that little circle here where you can check in. So the last speaker that was connected will be selected. You'll just have to now select the first speaker that was connected, okay? And that now, once you see this happens, this means your dual audio mode is already enabled and ready to go. So dual audio mode is usually enabled at default. There is no setting that you'll have to go in and enable yourself after the One UI 5, One UI 4, One UI 6 update. You no longer need to go into some settings and turn it on. It will be enabled automatically, and this is not for every Samsung phone, okay? This is only for flagship phones and some of the mid-range phones, such as the Samsung A52 and the A55 that I know of, and the A54 as well, okay? And once you have that all set, you can now go ahead and play yourself a song to test it out yourself, and you'll hear both speakers playing together at the same time. And so just a quick test. I'm not going to play this too long to avoid copyright here. You'll hear both playing now. So that's speaker one, and this is speaker two. All right. And while they're both playing together at the same time, when you press the volume control here, you'll notice there is two instead of one, and you can control both at the same time or one at a time. And every one you select, the name for the speaker will show to let you know which one you are controlling at the moment. So this is the Soundcore one, and this one is the Sony one, okay? But pressing on the button, the physical keys will put them up or down together at the same time, like in 7.